Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Video GPT by Veed Custom GPT that you can use to generate videos, AI videos for social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and more. You can use it as a text-to-video and speech tool with AI avatars, TTS, music and stock footage. Right before I would show an actual example, I just want to let you know that I have this custom GPT database that has tens of thousands of custom GPTs categorized by more than 20 categories that you can search by category, creator, description, and custom GPT name. You can get access to this custom GPT database by using the link in the description below. And I also have some other free custom GPT resources like SEO or social media marketing custom GPTs, lists, prompts, and more. So you can check those out as well in the description below. Now let's see how to use the Video GPT by Veed.io custom GPT. So if you want to use custom GPTs, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. And if you have one, all you have to do is click on Explore GPTs on the left here. Then you can close this sidebar. Then all you have to do is search for Video GPT here and click on the result. So as you can see, it has been used by a lot of people. So this is an indication that it's a quite good GPT. Then once the GPT is opened, all we have to do is add our prompt. So this is the prompt I have come up with. Generate a video for a quick, healthy breakfast recipe video. Focus on simplicity and nutritional benefits, targeting busy professionals. Tone is cheerful and engaging. And I would like the avatar now to present it. So click on send message here. First, as you can see here, this is the response we have received from the Video GPT by Veed. So first we get a video script. So as you can see, to create a script for a quick recipe video, here's a concise and compelling script. And this is the script. We have received the script. Now let's proceed with generating the video project with now as the avatar. Then we have to allow this Video GPT, ChatGPT Custom GPT to talk with Veed.io, and we will allow that. So then based on this script, it will generate us an AI video. So let's see what it will come up with. So as you can see, our video project was generated successfully, and we can click here and check it out how it looks like. So let's check it out. As you can see, it's still finishing up our video because it's a video. It takes a couple of minutes. All right, so we had to wait 1 or 2 minutes, but as you can see, this is the video we have received. So it's more than 1 minute long. You can also resize it for TikTok or other social media platforms, but let's have a look at it, how it looks like.
Day with a nutritious meal. I've got just the thing for you.
So it's a bit laggy, but this is because I'm also recording my screen, and as you can see, the videos or the stock videos it uses are related to the script it's the avatar is talking about. So as you can see, it's the spinach, then it's banana, so it's really good. And as you can see, we also get the full editing interface here, so we can move around stock videos and we can change the text, add subtitles, change the audio, and all that good stuff. Or of course, you might need to upgrade in Veed.io if you want to get all the premium features of this video editing software. But as you can see, all we had to do is add a basic video topic, and Veed.io has generated that using ChatGPT. So now this is how you can use the Veed.io custom GPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials. And also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.